Hey guys, it is Saturday here in West Virginia, and as I mentioned yesterday in our Free It Friday video, I wanted to go ahead and do a couple premium cars for you this weekend because those mystery models are cool and all, but it's just not what we usually do, like the caliber of car that we usually do for our Free It Friday. Usually it's something premium or RLC or something like that. So I brought out a couple of the latest vintage muscle from Autoworld. And these are a couple manufacturers that GM have discontinued throughout the past couple of decades. One is Oldsmobile and the other is Pontiac. So we're unboxing a couple of their classic muscle cars today. And these are the only vintage muscle in the latest lineup that I can find at my Walmart anyways. These are version B. I think the version A Firebird is like a black or a dark brown, and then the version A Olds is red. Anyways, this is going to be your release 2 of 2023. I'm still waiting for them to come out with, I know they've already come out with them, but I mean at my Walmart, to come out with the ones with the 2020 Hellcat Charger. I'd like to get a couple of them because that may be one of my picks for the top 10 of 2023. You never know. Just want to see how nice the casting is. And I also would like to do a comparison between it and Green Lights. I think Green Light does a 2018 or 2019, but pretty much the same car. So we could do a comparison of the two, which would be cool. But right now, this is the latest Autoworld sets that I have. I do have the Jeeps coming up for you. The Jeep, the orange one from release A, will be done on Monday with our Mopar Monday. And we're going to be doing a comparison also to the Green Light Jeep Unlimited. So both of them are orange. One is a 2010 model, the other is a 2013, but pretty much the same thing. So we're going to do a comparison video and an unboxing on both of those for our Mopar Monday. So I'll just let you guys know what's in store for the beginning of the week. But for right now, we have these two guys here. So we're going to start with the Pontiac. So 1969 Pontiac Firebird. It's the first year for the Trans Am and the third year for the Firebird. So it's a nice looking model. It has the Pontiac Rally 2 style wheels on it. That's what it looks like in the picture anyways. And the fun facts. So we're going to try to get this to zoom in. Okay, so besides a large chrome grille brakework, this 1969 Firebird did not have a protruding front bumper, so the quad headlight bezel was made of impact-resistant Lexan. The front fender vents on the 69 Firebird were non-functional. They were just there for cosmetics, I guess. So yeah, that has it. Center wraparound like grill bumper on it. These Firebirds that kind of had the same look as the 70 GTO, 70 to 72 GTO, I would say, front end to it. So pretty cool. So let's go ahead and get him off the car. These I have not cracked open yet, so I'll be doing this with you. And this red is called Matador Red. So probably not the most popular color in 69 from Pontiac. I think the most popular color was the Carousel Red, which looked orange. That was the 69 GTO Judge Orange, or, well, Carousel Red. So here is your car, and it does look very nice. The wheels, they are more like a Krager than a Rally 2. Excuse me, guys. And Johnny Lightning has actually a really nice Rally 2 style wheel that they make. I think they have the nicest Rally 2s out there. Green Light has a decent one too, but this one, as I said, looks more like a Krager. With a thin red line tire, detailed markers, and you can see the rear one shaped like the bird. It's pretty cool. And then detailed door handles and wheel well opening trim, drip rail trim, all that stuff. Nice detail on the front bumper and grille and headlights and turn signals and such. So they did a really nice job. It does have the hood scoops and such, and trying to see, it does not have a hood tack. And nice detailed tail lights. Pontiac emblem, rear bumper, everything's detailed very nicely on this casting and such. They do make the Trans Am. It was like one of their first releases, and it is also very nicely done. Pretty much the same car. It's just white with blue stripes. Let's see if I can get this piece of PVC in there to pop the hood, but it's just not going to cooperate with us. So I don't think we're getting the hood open on this one, guys. Yeah, sorry about that. But most likely it's very well detailed, knowing Autoworld, and it's done probably in the correct Pontiac blue color that the engines were. And so there you have it, your 1969 Pontiac Firebird 400 from Autoworld. So next one is the 1966 Oldsmobile 442. So this is a very nice casting too, very accurate, and this is one that's running the Magnum 500 wheels, and these are more accurate for Magnum 500s. As I said, their Rally 2s look like Kragers in a way, and trying to zoom in on these fun facts for you guys. So the 442 package was a $151 upcharge from the standard Cutlass. The 1966 Old 442 was completely restyled from the previous year with all new exterior body panels. Yeah, these things look very big compared to actually any of the Oldsmobiles, and it was kind of hard to believe that these were based on the same car as like the 66, 67 Chevelle. These were also, I guess, referred to as an A body, like the Chevelle and the Skylarks and stuff, because they were still small cars. But these were actually pretty big looking compared to the other General Motors cars for 66 and 67. And then in 68, they went with that fastback look on all the muscle cars and such. But yeah, this is the big one for 66 and 67. So let's go ahead and get him off the card and take a look at him. And once again, this is one that will be getting open. And usually these packages, yeah, that one tore a little bit. But a lot of times you can basically close these back up and you won't even be able to tell. I mean, yeah, a little bit, but not a whole lot. And basically, if you wanted to display them carded, you could after opening them and such, just to check them out. Now this one I should be able to get the hood open on easily. Yeah, this one opens fairly easy, and as you can see, it's got the ram air, which is kind of cool. See the tubes there? And Autoworld does an outstanding job on their engine detail. That just looks awesome. With the air cleaner, the ram air, and the gold color on the engine. And as I said, with these wheels, for being not rallies, but Magnums, they look pretty good. You have all your emblems there in trim, but it's hard to see on silver. So it kind of ghosts everything in to the paintwork in the right lighting. You can see there's an emblem here on the fender leg, and then there's some body molding and fender trim and such things like that. You can see the drip rail trim, but that's because you have a black vinyl top and such. Nice detail on the tail lights and rear panel black stripe. Nice detail on the grille and headlights. And this would be the air intakes for that ram air, I would say. Red line tires again. So very cool model. Nice chassis detail, and that was one thing I forgot to show you on the Firebird. So, very nice chassis detail on these cars. I just wish Autoworld would screw these together instead of rivet them together. But most manufacturers, at least US like companies, rivet them together instead of screw them together, except for like M2. I think is the only one that uses Phillips head screws. That's like one of our US manufacturers. But almost all of the ones from China and Japan, those manufacturers, they seem to use Phillips head screws, which I do like that setup in case you do want to customize it and then later on put it back to stock. So that's pretty cool option with the Phillips head screws. So this is your muscle cars from General Motors, and this is our weekend video. We'll be back again, as I said, for Monday. With the Jeep Wrangler Unlimited from Greenlight and Autoworld. We'll be doing a comparison of the two and an unboxing. So make sure you tune back in for that if you're a Jeep fan. And just in general, would like to see the differences between the two castings and who does it better. So thanks for watching, guys. See you on Monday.